DMC, Devil May Cry. The Technomancer. ReCore. ScreamRide. Perfect Dark Zero. Sherlock Holmes, the Devil's Daughter. Homefront, the Revolution. Outlast. Ninja Gaiden Black. Bayonetta. Braid. Farming Simulator 15. Wasteland 2. Alone Neighbor. Fable. Saints Row Roman 4. Darksiders. Kingdom New Lands. Warhammer Vermintide 2. Darksiders Roman 2. Banjo-Tooie. Layers of Fear. Brothers, A Tale of Two Sons. Rime. Cities Skylines. Deadlight. Observer. Shadow Complex. Braid. Gears of War. Kameo, Elements of Power. Gears of War, Judgment. Halo Wars 2. Star Wars, The Force Unleashed Roman 2. Resident Evil 0. Gears of War 3. Halo Wars. Devil May Cry 4. Quantum Break. Resident Evil Revelations 2. Star Wars Knights of the Old Republic. Banjo-Kazooie. Fable Roman 3. Star Wars The Force Unleashed. Mass Effect. Fable Roman 2. The Elder Scrolls Roman 4 Oblivion. Metal Gear Solid V Ground Zeroes, Fallout 3, Rise, Son of Rome, Hitman, The Outer Worlds, Dune.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and like and comment down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.